All right, guys, now we are going to move on to two-step algebraic equations. And I am so very excited that I wrote a little song for us. And I think that if we can learn it and keep it in mind, it'll help us out later. So if everyone could repeat after me. I'm gonna take my number to the other side.
I'm gonna take my number to the other side.
Then to find out my x, sometimes I'll multiply.
And to find out my x, sometimes I multiply.
I'm gonna take my number to the other side.
I'm gonna take my number to the other side.
And to find out my x, sometimes I wanna divide.
And to find out my x, sometimes I wanna divide.
All right, all together now. I'm gonna take my number to the other side. Find out my x, I'm gonna multiply. Yeah, I'm gonna take my number to the other side. Find out my x, sometimes I wanna divide. Ah, beautiful. We love to hear it. So now I'm going to share my whiteboard with you. And so, as you might have guessed, a two-step equation is a lot like a one-step equation, except it's two steps. And I've gotten it written over here in the most abstract form possible. Again, just keep that in the back of your mind and we will circle back later. For now, I want to start with a couple of examples where we have beautiful, real, actual numbers. So we've got this x over 3 plus 5 equals 2. And we want to get x all by its lonesome. So the first thing that we want to do is get away what's farthest away from our x, what's hanging out with it the least. So what's that going to be here? Sam?
You would have to subtract 5.
Exactly. So we subtract 5 from both, that's an m. We subtract 5 from both of our sides, and we are going to get x over 3 equals 2. So then this is just like the one steps we've done earlier. We want to get x all by its lonesome. So Rory, we are going to
divide by 3.
Well, we've already got x divided by 3. Remember that we want to do the opposite and get things undone.
So do we multiply?
Exactly. Multiplication undoes division. So we multiply both of our lovely little sides by 3, and we are going to get x equals 6. I think I dropped.
There's a mathematical error on
you didn't.
The second line.
Yeah, where did I go wrong?
You said that you subtracted 5.
I didn't subtract. There we go. So okay, -3 minus 3. Now it's -9. And that is why we are going to check our work, and hopefully it should work now. So -9 over 3 plus 5 equals 2. Is that true? Let's find out. -3 plus 5 equals 2, because 5 plus -3 is the same as 5 minus 3. So beautiful. It all works out. Let's do one more lovely example here. So we've got 4x minus 8 equals 20. So again, we want to get rid of the thing that's farthest away from x. We're going to take our number to the other side. So Maddie, what is my first step?
Add 8 to both sides.
Beautiful, because addition undoes subtraction. So we've got this, and we go through, and we get 4x equals 28. So what's my next step? Sam, I think I saw a hand.
Oh, okay. You're gonna have to divide by 4.
Exactly, because division undoes multiplication. They're opposites. So I divide everything by 4, and my x's cancel out. My 4's cancel out, not my x's. I've only got one x. So I get x equals 7. And we're going to go back and check that like always. 4 times 7 minus 8 equals 28 minus 8 equals 20. Fabulous. At this point, does anyone have any burning questions? No, I'm seeing head shaking. All right, then I am going to send you into breakout rooms. You'll do some fun problems on your own and then come back and teach them to me. And then we can go circle back to this fancy smancy equation I showed you earlier. All good?
Yep.
All right, fabulous. I am sending you off now. Scene.